What happens after a shark is caught in American waters? Today, we're taking you inside a modern seafood processing factory. Here are transformed into high-quality seafood products. This process begins as freshly caught sharks arrive. Packed in ice, every shipment is unloaded quickly. Inspectors verify quality, species, and temperature. This is all done before production begins.
Weighs in at 300 pounds, total length checks out, gills look good, clear for processing.
Using specialized cutting techniques, the meat is carefully separated from the skeleton. Every cut is made with precision to maximize.
The fresh fillets move through chilled washing systems, where they are cleaned with cold, filtered water. This removes any remaining residue while helping maintain freshness.
Workers trim each fillet into uniform portions. Any excess tissue is removed, creating clean, consistent cuts. These meet specifications for restaurants and seafood markets.
Our advanced systems examine every fillet. Technicians verify size, appearance, and quality. This batch meets our highest standards. Perfect fillets continue to packaging. The finished seafood is vacuum sealed using automated packaging machines. Removing air helps preserve freshness while protecting the product during storage and transportation.
The sealed packages enter blast freezers. Extremely low temperatures quickly lock in freshness. This locks in texture and quality. Frozen products are packed into insulated cartons. They are loaded onto refrigerated trucks, ready for delivery nationwide. From the open ocean to advanced American processing facilities, every step combines skilled workers, modern technology,